Okay, hi guys. I'm glad you could come. See the video. So, this solar powered. This is solar powered, and you don't even need to charge it or use batteries. It just uses the sun. So, you're gonna take this, and then you're gonna put this, and this hole you see. You're gonna put those inside. So this thing is gonna go inside of that, the hole. So all of this is gonna go inside this hole. So let's put that together. Alright, once you did that, you're gonna hold it straight up. Yeah, I have two sets, but I just need one of them. So take one of these. You see the rest sticking out? That stuff sticking out? And you see this mini hole? We're gonna put that in there. Just like I showed you the other thing. So, see how I just put that together? And now, this is gonna spin. It's not gonna fall off easily. Well, bye. I hope you saw my video. Bye. Have a great day. Bye.